Hi, it's me Gmodifier, a junior Gmod son in RR, and I'm going to make this video because Daddy Gmod is too lazy of a bum to make his own videos.
What?
Anyway, I'm going to show you my top favorite faces to make in Rec Room. Because I have face tracking on my billionaire iPad, I can make even more expressive faces in Rec Room. I call this face the teeth flexor, the chompers, the oh my god you are so much dog water bro, the lick, the lip bite, and my favorite one, the neck snapper. Thank you guys for watching my first video. Pappy Gmod will make good quality videos soon. That lazy bum.